leftovers are amazing. At least I think leftovers are amazing. The other night, I had a bunch of romaine in my refrigerator, so I took a recipe that I usually use for escarole, saute it in garlic oil, add some raisins and some pine nuts, and serve it as a great accompaniment to steak. It was amazing, but I made more than I needed, so I have some left over. I have taken it and I am mixing it with some pasta water. I'm going to serve it over this spalini pasta, the shape I'm using tonight, and the shape is always really important because it has to match the sauce, are these trumpets. So these trumpets are going to pick up the little pieces like the pinoli nuts and the raisin in the sauce. Totally yummy. The reason it's important to use a good quality pasta is that one of the important ingredients for sauce, especially when you're doing a leftover vegetable sauce, is the pasta water. So you want pasta that's going to let off good starch. And you can see here looking at this, this is absolutely perfect. So I already have some pasta water in there, heating up the vegetables. When I add the Romano cheese, more will go in. And when I add the pasta, I will add a little bit more pasta water. This is a quick cooking pasta. It's only going to take 7 to 8 minutes. So I am pretty close to being done with it. And there is nothing better than a meal that you can get ready in 7 to 8 minutes, not counting the time to boil the pasta water. So depending on how fast your stove is, it'll be somewhere between 15 and 20 minutes. But still, that is pretty good. So it's been just about 7 minutes. I am going to test the pasta to see if it is al dente. It needs just about a minute. Pretty close. Just going to turn the heat up under the vegetables. Got my bowl ready. And I have the Romano cheese here. If you're not crazy about Romano, you can use Parmesan, but I find with something like this, particularly because it has the sweetness of the raisins, you really want something pungent with it. And the Romano cheese works really well. But we're going to drain the pasta and put in here with the vegetables and the Romano. This is just from when it was left over in the refrigerator, so I don't really have quantities for you. I'm going to stir this, add a little bit more of the pasta water, bring it to a quick boil, and stir it until everything sort of meshes into beautiful sauce. I did not add any salt to the vegetables before, and I am not going to now because the Romano is really salty. So here we are. We have the trumpets with romaine lettuce, pine nuts, raisins, and Romano cheese, all ready for dinner. A little more Romano on top, and here we are. Mangia bene.